Hi there, today we are making scones. The ingredients include plain flour for dusting, self-raising flour, butter, and milk. First step is to preheat the oven to 200 degrees. Now that you have done that, you need to get 3 cups of self-raising flour and sift it into a large bowl. Now that you've done that, grab 80 grams of butter and use your fingers to rub it in with the flour. Mix it until it resembles breadcrumbs. It will end up looking like this. It's basically like breadcrumbs. Now you need to make a well in the center and add 1 cup of milk. Mix with a flat-bladed knife until mixture forms a soft dough. Add more milk if required. The dough should end up looking like that. Now that you have mixed it, sprinkle some plain flour over a flat base and then knead the dough until it's soft, but don't knead it too much because then it will get hard. It may be sticky at first, but that's okay. Just keep kneading it. If it is too sticky, add more flour to the dough and then keep mixing it. The dough should look like this. Now that you have kneaded the dough, lightly dust a baking tray with plain flour. You need to pat it to a 2 centimeter thickness dough. Now using something round, cut the dough into circles. Now you need to knead the dough back into a 2 centimeter thickness and make more. Now that you have spread them out, sprinkle plain flour over the top of the scones like this. Now they should look like this, but don't put too much flour on top of them. Then put them in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until they're golden. This is what the scones will look like. This is a little one for my puppy. Now we are up to the toppings. You can use whatever you'd like, but I prefer cream and jam. Me and my doggy are going to taste test them. My puppy dog trying. Did you like it? I think now that's my turn. It's very good watching me make scones, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye.